What is up, team? So just a quick update on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Kadena. Okay, before we get into the Kadena and the Ethereum charts, I do want to talk about Bitcoin because Bitcoin is king. There's no question about that. Bitcoin is actually, I don't want to say it's a fractal, but there's a few things I want to talk about, and Bitcoin is pumping, and that's the only reason why altcoins are pumping, right? Bitcoin's king, Bitcoin's the leader. When Bitcoin pumps, altcoin pumps. Everyone's excited on Twitter. People are coming to me, they're like, oh, dose, but why is everything pumping except for Kadena? Guys, Kadena is up 5%, 6%. VRA 5, Crow 4, Dot 4. It's pretty much all the same thing. They're all following each other. But something that I do want to have a look at right here is Bitcoin. Okay, we had this nice little consolidation back in May all the way to June. And we had this nice little peak, this nice little curve, the same way we're having it right now, followed by two double tops. So we had a fake out right here. This was the fake out where everyone's like, oh, we're flipping bullish, we're going to 40K. And now we're having this breakout right here, and everyone is calling right here for 28K. Everyone thinks we're going to do something like this. Now, I'm not saying it's impossible, but we are in a bear market, and something we do have to understand, guys, that, you know, when we're in a bear market, we're usually going to end up dumping. America is officially in a recession starting off today, 0.9% of a GDP. That's what it was, the numbers. So two consecutive quarters makes it a negative, a recession essentially. Recessions are not good for financial assets, guys, as we know. Yesterday was the interest rate raise, 0.75 basis point. Now, guys, we know this is all fake, right? This right here is all fake in my opinion. Yeah, volume, a lot of people got liquidated and whatnot, but all this, every time we heard negative news with recession, interest rate, and whatnot, we saw a pump followed by a dump, and then look what happened. So we can repeat the same thing happening right here. Whatever we saw happening here, we could really repeat it in the next coming weeks, in my opinion, or next coming days. Something that I do want to have a look at also is the RSI on the weekly time frame. On the RSI on the weekly time frame, we were pretty oversold, guys. There's no question about that. We were oversold. We were sitting under 30. Now, people are saying, oh, but because we were under 30, you know, so we're going to go back up and, you know, that's it. We're bullish again. We should be flying to the moon now. No, it's not completely like that, because we know that on the monthly time frame, we're looking very bearish, and we actually broke some crazy numbers. I don't know why my computer is lagging. But going back to ETH real quick, something that I do want to have a look at on ETH and on Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin on the monthly time frame. These are the exponential moving average on Bitcoin right here. Sorry about that. Going back to Bitcoin, my computer was loading. We got rejected right here at the EMA ribbon. Now the question is are we gonna get rejected fully by the monthly time frame? Are we gonna come back down? I don't know. Who knows? But I don't think we're gonna go back inside the EMA ribbon. And if we do, it's gonna be very interesting to see how this plays out. As of right now, I am completely bullish on Bitcoin, and that's about it. Having a look at Ethereum real quick. Ethereum, if you guys remember my last Ethereum video, I said that Ethereum might come back to this level right here. Of course, NFTs are making things more bullish on Ethereum. Guess what? We are exactly at this level that I mentioned, okay? I said that my short would be anywhere between this area. Guess what? I opened a short earlier today. Am I saying that I'm going to win this short? Maybe, maybe not. Am I saying I'm going to make money? Maybe, maybe not. But I will definitely take a swing to 1,434 on this short, okay, which would be a 17% gain. So this is what I will be doing. Of course, guys, it's not financial advice. You guys do, you know, always do your own research and due diligence. We are looking a little bit overbought right here on Ethereum. So it seems like we're going to come back down. We know what happened right here when we came. We had this whole trend right here. This was the trend, guys. You remember? Everyone thought we were going back to 5K. We went to 3,500. We were overbought right here. Boom, came back down. We had two double tops right here. Boom, crashed back down. So I wouldn't be surprised if we saw another move like this. And you know what's funny is that this is what's funny that a lot of people don't understand is that the last time Ethereum was at this level, was actually at 3,500. Now we're sitting all the way down here at this level at, you know, pretty low at, what is it, 1762. So it's quite interesting whatever is happening over here. So we're gonna have to see how that plays out. It looks like we're entering right now this area that I've been talking about the short. I'm gonna keep shorting from there. We're gonna have to see, but that's that. Having a look at Kadena real quick, guys. Ranked 105, 279,000 people on the watch list. Traded at $1.76, up 7%. $324 million market cap. fantastic, fantastic. Things are growing, Kadena's growing, community is growing. I see it on Twitter, I see it on Telegram. Guys, Kadena is here to stay in my opinion. Let's have a look at Kadena and where it could potentially go. Yes, Kadena can go to $1.85 like we saw right here, okay? We saw last week Kadena go up to $1.85, got rejected. Why did we get rejected? Well, if I actually go and open the daily chart real quick, okay, my internet is being very laggy, or my computer is being very laggy right now, but if I open up this is the consolidation that we've been essentially happening on Kadena right now. Nothing too crazy in my opinion. We've just been consolidating inwards, in and out right here, very, very quick. Nothing too crazy, like I said, guys. And in my opinion, we're most likely going to come to 185, double top a little bit before coming back down or consolidating more. Who knows? At the end of the day, it's Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin's currently pumping right now. Bitcoin's king. The monthly candle's ending, so it's going to be a big monthly candle. We got, you know, a lot of contracts being, I believe they're going to expire tomorrow. So we're going to have to see option contracts, so we're going to have to see how that plays out. Maybe we're going to see a pump. I don't think that August and September and November are going to be bullish in my opinion. I think this was just a relief bounce. We're going to have to see how that plays out once again, guys. But Kadena right here, we have probably a few more percent. But if we do end up breaking this level right here, I wouldn't be surprised if Kadena can fly to, I would say right here to the nearest resistance at 2.32. We're going to have to see how that plays out once again. Ethereum is pumping right now as I'm speaking. We are pumping right now on Ethereum, entering this strong resistance level on ETH. Very strong resistance. We're going to have to see how that plays out. The reason why this is a strong resistance is also because of this area right here. As you guys can see, this is a very strong area for ETH. So we're gonna have to see how this plays out and if we can manage and close above it. If we manage to close above this level right here, which is currently 1841, I believe. No, it's not. It's 1763. So right now we're currently sitting at 1781. If Ethereum manages to pump above 1763, then it's gonna be good. I don't think we're gonna be able to. I don't think we're gonna do that. I think we're gonna have a massive dump very soon. We're gonna have to see how this plays out. But right now the market is looking good. But I don't think we're bullish, guys. I don't think we're bullish just yet. So this is my video on ETH, Kadena, and Bitcoin. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.